his brain. He was injured when the group's coach crashed near Newcastle on Tuesday night.
Mike Nolan was transferred to this neurological unit in Newcastle overnight. He's critical with head and back injuries and's fighting for his life in the intensive care unit.
The doctor said there was a possibility of some sort of brain damage, but if that's the right term, but he said that's only a possibility, so there's also the possibility that he'd be 100%.
The 30-year-old singer was hurled through the window of the group's coach when it hit a truck near Newcastle on Tuesday night. Their keyboard player has serious chest injuries. 14 others were injured in the crash. Mike Nolan's clean-cut image helped Bucks Fizz win overnight fame in the 1981 Eurovision Song Contest. This was their last appearance, just hours before the crash. Bucks Fizz have now cancelled their entire pre-Christmas tour.